Astha Enviro Systems Private Limited takes turnkey projects of air conditioning systems with high side and low side. High side is being outsourced as per the tender requirement and low side is supplied by us. Its pride is to introduce ourselves as young and dynamic professionals engaged primarily in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, pollution control equipments, and activities such as manufacturing and contracting company. Astha won Exceed Award in 2018 and National Achievers Award 2019 for Best Manufacturer of Industrial Air Pollution Control Equipment in Delhi NCR.
All the best and congratulations in advance to all the achievers who are going to win those amazing looking trophies. And let's have a great night.
Moving on to the next National Achiever Award is for the Best Manufacturer of Industrial Air Pollution Control Equipment in Delhi NCR, and the award goes to Astha Enviro System Private Limited. I like to call Mr. Ram Krishna Rajak.
Astha Enviro Private Limited is looking after the maintenance as well as the certain installation job in the HVAC system of this prestigious Scope Minar complex. They have been into this business with us. They have been associated for the last 10 years. The director of this company is Mr. Ram Krishna Rajak, and they have been doing this job quite satisfactorily, to our satisfaction. And they are found to be good people to be associated with. We wish them all the success in future.
आस्था एनवायरो सिस्टम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड हमारे स्कोप मीनार लक्ष्मी नगर बिल्डिंग में 10 साल से एसोसिएट हैं। ये हमारे HVAC डिपार्टमेंट के लिए काम करते हैं। इनके डायरेक्टर मिस्टर रामकृष्ण बहुत ही कोऑपरेटिव हैं और इनके जो सारे स्टाफ हैं वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेटिव नेचर के हैं।
Our clients are Reliance Infrastructure, IPL, Orient Bell, Amcor, NEC Life, Delhi Metro, Gale, Scope Minar, Bikaner Wala, Indian Oil, Surya, Swift, Lady Shri Ram College, Concord, Hindustan Prefab Limited, and more.
Namaskar, I am Ram Krishna Rajak, founder chairman of Astha Enviro Systems Private Limited, a registered office in New Delhi and manufacturing facility in Jasana, Faridabad, Haryana. We are manufacturer of heating, ventilation, air conditioning and air pollution control equipments. In heating systems, we maintain any rooms up to 50 degrees centigrade throughout the year, and in ventilation systems, we maintain the area at comfortable zone.
Astha is bound to provide the best after sales and services to our customers. Our motto has always been to be in touch with our customers through product quality, performance, service, and technical assistance. We provide consultancy also to our customers to choose the right equipment to meet their requirement.
We manufacture air pollution control equipments for pharmaceuticals and chemical industries. Normally, air pollution control equipments are used in pharma and chemical industries. Also, it is used in automobile sectors and antique equipment manufacturer like buffing, grinding, etc. Our private customers also Huhtamaki PPL Limited, which is situated in Hyderabad, and one more company, packaging company, Amcor Flexibles, It is situated in Hardwar and Baroda and Shitarpur. We have done lot of job work in Amcor Flexibles Private Limited.